has been messy for the past 3 days and I've been putting it off and it's gotten this bad. I don't even know how it's gotten this bad. If you watch me on the daily, you know my house is always clean when I film, but like when I'm not filming on the day, it's this messy. So we're just getting up and honest here. Life happens. Like there's times where I just genuinely don't want to clean at night before I go to sleep, and then I wake up with a house that's this messy and then I just keep putting it off. Today we're gonna stop that here, and I hope you guys do too. I know it's so hard to like clean and actually get yourself to do that. Trust me, I know. I hope that this video brings nothing but motivation because we all need it, and this is motivating me at the same time because I'm motivating you guys and I'm filming, so there's no lacking here. I'm gonna try to get it all done today. It's currently Tuesday, 3:40 p.m. I'm gonna put a timer. I'm actually gonna put my Apple Watch and see how long I can do this for and how many steps I get to this, because we're getting a workout here. It's literally a workout. At the end of this, I'm gonna look all sweaty and like gross. I'm wearing sweatpants. Probably not the best idea, but they're so comfy and I regret it every time. I used to clean the house with a hoodie and I don't do that. Sometimes I do it because I want to look cute, and then in the end I'm just like sweating so much. Okay, so here's what my room's looking like. I wouldn't say it's that bad, but like when you get to this point and over here, just some areas in this room, like this mirror, oh my, it just looks pretty bad, and the sheets haven't gotten off in about 2 weeks and I clean it every week. So we're just gonna get that done. These are just clothes that I need to fold. They've literally been out of the dryer in this basket for a whole week, and I've just been grabbing clothes that I want to wear out of the laundry basket. That's when you know it's bad. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take off the sheets off the bed and have that running in the wash. So that's kind of like my timer. I like to do that every time. Mel brought a sock over here. Why'd you bring Caleb's sock? I somehow have towels in the wash, so we're just gonna put that in here. And then we also have this blanket that Mel peed on. I'm gonna put it back in here with the towels because it's still wet. Yeah, she peed on it. So for the timer is 1 hour and 13 minutes, and then we're gonna put that in the dryer, so that's gonna be like another 50 minutes. In total, we have 2 hours to clean. We're gonna get that done. Up the floors with all the clothes. I'm literally out of breath and it looks so much better already. Also, don't mind this ball pit I got for the dogs, and I think they're liking it. Now we're gonna clean this vanity that I don't really use. I just put stuff on it, like for example my breakfast from this morning. Why is it just sitting there? I don't know. So we're just gonna be taking things off the table and just wiping it down. Love throwing things and then just not picking up after myself. So we're just gonna like take things off, you know, do the whole cleaning stuff. I also have to take all the clean dishes out of here. Oh my gosh. We also have some dishes. It's not that bad, so thank God, but this is bad. folded. I don't even know how I did that. We're now on to the living room. It doesn't look terrible, but there are a lot of toys on the floor just everywhere. And then I do want to wipe down the TV stand because I haven't done that in a while. With the couch, I'm just gonna fluff it up because there's already enough in the washer and dryer. So I'll probably do that next week where I'll take off all the parts of the couch because this unzips and you can put it in like the wash. But we're just gonna leave that for next week because it's a lot in the wash. I finished cleaning the living room and it looks so much better and so much cleaner. Like, it just feels like I can breathe. As well as with the kitchen, it looks spotless right now. Now it's time to clean this dining table. I don't know why I also just throw things on here, but I got this PR from Urban Decay a while ago. I forgot to take a picture, so I took a picture of it. Got some Amazon packages. We just need to clean this up. Now it's time to vacuum the entire house. I love my Dyson. It's so good. And if you guys couldn't tell by now, I have 2 dogs. So there's a lot of shedding on the floor, just a lot. So I vacuum every day, but there's always fur on the floor. So as you guys can tell, literally proof right here. Sheets are cleaned and we can finally put them on the bed. I don't get why making a bed is just so hard. Like, just putting the sheets on the bed and it's just so out of breath type thing. It's exhausting. I wish the dogs could just like actually help me and not just sit there. Finally got the bed made and I'm very out of breath. Now it's time to clean this bathroom. I don't know how I got it this bad. Like, I'm saying this with everything, but like, yeah, this needs to be clean. You see how it's my side only and not his? You can tell who's the one making this mess. Clearly it's me. So we're just gonna clean up after myself. This is like where I get ready every day. So of course it's gonna get to this point. Also, here's a little tip. If you want like motivation to clean, film yourself cleaning. You don't even have to post it. Just like film yourself either on your phone, which is the easiest, and just get like a tripod and do it in time lapse and it literally will motivate you to clean again. Since I personally love watching cleaning videos, so that itself motivates me. When I see myself cleaning, it motivates me even more to keep cleaning. So just do that, and it's a plus even if you want to post it. But yeah, that's a little tip motivation. You don't have to do it, but it's an idea. Can you tell I hate cleaning the bathroom because I left it last? Like, this is all I had to do and that's it. And the other bathroom. This whole part of the bathroom and the mirror. Now I just have to clean the toilet and the shower, which is gonna take me forever, I just know. Also, I have all of these cleaning supplies for the bathroom. I'll have them linked down below if you guys want to check them out. This is like really nice, but I would rate it like a 6 out of 10. It has like the squeaky feature and I'm not sure if I like it. It's like really loud and uncomfortable to the ear. Maybe I'm doing it wrong, but it's really good. It gets the job done. These gloves are also so cute and for sure need it. And this is really nice because you just spray the glass and then wipe it down with this cloth. This toothbrush as well is so good. It's not really a toothbrush. I just call it toothbrush, but I don't even know what these are called. They like scrub down everything. So this is a must because it literally saves me so much more time. I don't even know how I was doing it with just a toothbrush for real. Like, get this if you don't have it. I'm sure you guys are watching this and probably have something like that, but it's a must. Day 2 of cleaning. My entire entire house. All I have to do is the office and then the guest bathroom, which is pretty much it. Should be easy. I'm wearing something like super comfy today because I genuinely just want to be comfy, and my hair is gross, so I put it in a hat. But anyway, we're currently in my office. My vanity is what looks pretty bad, but it's like honestly pretty easy if you think about it, because it's just like picking up after myself and then wiping down the table. I took down my frame because I was filming like a TikTok with like these Polaroid pictures, so I don't have the floral picture anymore. Don't know what I'm gonna do. I have to like order another one. I might just put it on the wall without anything on. It's gonna look weird, but it's whatever. I have a lot of Depop clothes that I want to like sort out, and this, I don't know, there's just like random stuff everywhere. This is gross. Don't even, that's disgusting. We're gonna start by cleaning my vanity because that's what probably looks the worst right now. So much better and organized. I now want to get ready here, and so does Mel. Right, Mel? Oh, he's so cute. Cleaning the entire office. Looks so much better now and just like organized and clean. I usually like edit on the couch or something, but I might start editing in here again because it looks so much cleaner. Like when the environment is cleaner, you want to be there a lot more often and you feel better about yourself. So that's your motivation. Trust me, you'll feel a lot better because this just looks 10 times better. It's currently 12:50 and now we're gonna go do the bathroom. Officially done with cleaning the entire house, and it feels so much more cleaner and so much better. I feel like I can breathe. So if you haven't cleaned already, go clean. This is your sign to just go and do it. And now I'm gonna do an everything shower because I feel like I need it, and that's the best part. Like after you clean and stuff, you go and shower and do an everything shower and you'll feel even more cleaner, and it's literally the best feeling. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hopefully this motivated you. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already, and comment down below this cleaning emoji if you made it up to this point. If you did, I love you so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.